2 of our AIOps discovery. As you can see, all of our compute environments on-prem and hybrid cloud are being monitored by different tools, by OpsRamp. And one of the use cases of AIOps, and you can see a lot there, is alert correlation, which I'm quite interested to share with you today. So what is alert correlation? If you look at the top there, we can see the Cassandra servers being monitored by OpsRamp with the red alerts coming in, some performance degradation. But you may have web servers monitored by other tools, and obviously your hybrid environment has many tools and many different compute instances going on. But there is a dependency. There is a correlation between the web server and the database. And if the database starts complaining, we need to understand what else is involved. And so where AIOps comes in is it collects all the alerts into a data pipeline, and it looks for sequences, it looks for patterns. So here we can see A1, A2, A3, and A4 happen in the same order each time. And so time-based correlation is one aspect. The other aspect is topology reinforcement. So we have a topology map, we have a service map, we understand the relationships and the dependencies between each of the instances. And we can reinforce that correlation with the topology to see really help you pinpoint where the needle in the haystack is really happening. So this is one use case of AIOps. I think it's a very interesting one. So I wanted to share that with you on week 2. Okay, stay tuned for next week's episode of the AIOps Journey. Take care.